The species that survives is not the strongest or the most intelligent, but the one able to adapt to new conditions, according to Charles Darwin and according to Ignacio Segovia. Mr. Head Coach, fellow Toastmasters, most welcome guest. I commend Ignacio for coming here on stage and delivering the speech without notes at all. That's an amazing improvement from the first time he delivered this speech. I was here when he delivered this speech. He relied on notes. Today, major improvement. No notes at all, except for the opening. He didn't need it, that's okay. At least he threw it away. No more notes. I commend him for his pace in delivering the speech. The speed was just right. Not too fast, not too slow. He allows, wake up. He allows the audience to receive, digest, and absorb the fabulous content of his speech. Confidence. Definitely, he exuded the confidence here stage, and you can see how much Ignacio is improving from a few months ago when he came here and visited the club and finally decided to join. Major improvement, really, great job Ignacio. What can Ignacio do differently to take this performance to a higher level? In my opinion, he could avoid to repeat his name. His name was already announced to the audience by the Toastmaster of the day. He's very famous. We invited him to speak about resilience. It's like inviting Anthony Robbins, and then Anthony Robbins goes on stage and says, "Hey, good morning, my name is Anthony Robbins." Of course, we're paying to see you, I know who you are. Same thing, no need to repeat the name. You are Ignacio Segovia, the most valuable coach, life coach in the market. Secondly, I don't think there is need to come here on stage and say, today I'm going to talk about resilience, I'm going to explain about this, about that. No, you come on stage and you speak about resilience. And you speak in such a way that you capture the audience, you captivate the audience, and you take the audience on a roller coaster. Additionally, he could scan the entire room when it comes to eye contact. He focused primarily right here on the first row. I felt a little bit neglected down there, and I think the rest of the audience, just let's scan the entire room, left or right, as he says, Bob says, just linger the right amount of time on each of the members. Other than that, great performance, Ignacio, and thank you very much for reminding all of us that resilience is not a trait, but a skill that we can learn. Head coach.